The Jamaican proverb say you can't swap black dog for monkey, meaning you can't come out of one bad situation and exchange it for something that is worse. Anyway, once upon a time, monkey was a swine. Drop off a chain line and broke him behind. But Mr. Salah Lime was just in time to take our line and rub him behind. Jack Mandora, me no choose none. Now, if you don't like the Jamaican culture, I got ask you to like, share, comment, and subscribe.